Find 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 99. Couple things. Consecutive means you are right next to each other. So 1, 2, 3 are consecutive numbers. Integers means we're not going to be playing with fractions or decimals. It's just going to be positive and negative numbers, and they have to add up to 99. So how do you do this? Well, let's let the first one be n. We don't know what the first number is, but we do know that the next one is going to be 1 bigger. Consecutive means right next to each other. And then the third one will be 2 bigger than that. Remember, 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. It doesn't matter where you start. This could be 30, 31, 32, 100, 101, 102. Now the sum of these means we're going to add them together, and that's going to add up to 99. Now we have a little algebra problem to solve. Let's gather up all those n's. There's 1, 2, 3 of them. And 1 plus 2 is 3, and that equals 99. More than one way to go from here. You could divide out the 3 from both sides and cancel it. But I think I'm just going to subtract the 3 from both sides. And we're going to get 3n equals 96. Now divide both sides by 3. And we get n equals 32. That means our very first number, n, is 32. Then all 3 numbers that add up to 99 are 32, 33, and 34.